Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw money from Robinhood. So in order to withdraw money from Robinhood, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, log in into your Robinhood account. So type in your passcode and enter in, and once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface something like this. Now go ahead and tap on the accounts icon located in the top right hand side corner. After that, you'll be able to see a transfer button located right over here. Due to some security concern, the interface is unavailable, so I'm unable to show you the recorded video. So all you can do is just follow the instructions. Then tap the transfer button. And next page, you'll have to enter in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw. And once you're done entering the exact amount, then go ahead and select the destination where you actually want to transfer the money, confirm the information, and within 2 to 3 business days you'll be receiving the amount. And that's how you can transfer money from Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.